going on, guys? Last video, pulled these axles out. I think tonight I just have a little bit of time, so I'm gonna get these prepped for sale. I think I said the details on the last video, but low pinion, Dana 30, ARBs 30, 488s. The front has 30 spline, axle shafts, and then they've got these PowerStop brake kits on them. Let's see, front has the IronRock truss, and then cab fab crossover steering and track bar. I think that's pretty much it for the first one. Running spacers because the stock wheels rubbed really bad on these steering heim joints. Rear is same story, Chrysler 8.25, ARB 488, disc brake conversion out of a ZJ, and then PowerStop calipers and brake rotors. I'm gonna yank these leaf springs off and then just kind of prep everything for sale. I would like to do a package where it's kind of a drop-in kit for an XJ, where it's, you know, the whole front end, the rear end, leaf springs, coils, and then the tires. Essentially, you could, and I suppose shocks as well, you could buy a stock Cherokee and then buy this kit, and you know, essentially have a pretty mild rock crawler to do, you know, most things around here. So yeah, let's get started. I heard those cleaned up way faster than I thought they would. Obviously there's still dirt on them. They're not clean, but I don't know if I want to go that far. Got my tires and wheels, springs and shocks, and then the track bar mount on the frame side is also going to be included. I am not going to include the U-bolts or the plates for those. U-bolts stretch, so I would love for somebody to not use those, but these have, I don't know, less than 500 miles on them. They're hardly broken in and they're for sale. If you're interested, shoot me a message and we can go from there. I think I did that so quick. I'm actually gonna see how much of the exhaust I can pull out. All right, underside of the Jeep's looking pretty bare. Engine, transmission, transfer case. Pulled the drive line, just a few brackets. Got the heat reflector, emission stuff, gas tank in the back. Debating on pulling the hard lines for the fuel and vacuum lines for the evap stuff. I don't know if it's worth all the work to pull it out or if I should just leave it. But we're getting closer to a fairly bare shell, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right, that's gonna be it for tonight. See you guys tomorrow.